This is our pet mat 32 by 20. It's a funny story. A lot of people, when we first started out, said that their pets loved the mat. They would lie on it, they loved the heat, they loved the gemstones, they would lie on it for hours, and we said, all right, that's a good idea. Why don't we make our very own pet mat so not only you can get the benefits, but your little pets can too. And let's open this up. Again, it always comes with that traveling case, super easy to transport. And let's take this out. I'm gonna flip it around like this. Whoop. Pardon me. And then let's just show you. Take this out. I believe it comes out this way. And I'll show you exactly why this one is great for any kind of pets, once I can get it open. So, firstly, our main thing that we wanted was to be able to give pets a great way to relax, heal their bodies, get all the healing benefits from the therapies in a safe way. So it comes with this scratch-proof surface. The gemstones that we use in this are tourmaline. They're more firm, so they can't scratch at it and get into it with versus some of our other ones. It's more of a cotton kind of a mesh lining, which hypothetically would be scratchable by a pet. So with this one, we said let's just use firm tourmaline so they get all of those benefits and are safe at the same time. It also has this kind of plastic lining over it, so if there's any kind of water damage, it's protected. And then also, there is a special remote. So this remote is great because it is bite-proof. So you see here that it's not like a normal plug, it's kind of a metallic, metal-y kind of material, so it's bite-proof, so your pets can't bite through it. That's our main thing. We didn't want to hear about any stories of a poor pet trying to heal his body, hurting himself. That would just ruin our day, so we took every precaution to make sure that doesn't happen. Same kind of effects. This one does have the gemstones, as I mentioned before. It also has the PEMF therapy, which is great. It's electromagnetic field therapy. What that does is it stimulates your cells, and for pets that's really good. It also has a really grounding effect too. Maybe they were running around all day, they want to relax, maybe you want them to go to bed. We all know how hard that can be with our pets, getting them to go to sleep. This mat's great because it has that PEMF therapy and the far infrared heat therapy. Super relaxing. We all love heat. Pets love heat too, especially on those cold winter nights. You want your little furry friend to stay warm. This is a great option for them. You can set the temperature between room temperature up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend something comfortable for pets, so they love it. I mean, I've heard stories about pets or customers whose pets have been spending hours on it. It's super relaxing, it's energizing, and the same effect that they'll run around after, but it kind of gives them the grounding effect that you would get from gemstones, the far infrared, the PEMF, and the negative ions too, which is great for their overall health. So that's what's really, really great about this mat. It's geared towards pets. We thought about everything, and we knew that pets had to have a healthier life too. You want a healthier life, your pets do too. That's why we made this. It's really, really great. Let's show you what else it comes with. Of course, the warranty card you can see right here to register your mat's warranty. The cover right here. So this is good if you kind of want an extra layer of protection for your pet while they are using it. And you simply take that, flip it around, and it's very easy. Just goes like this around the corners. Again, this is just the waterproof one. It doesn't have that cotton padding, but it's still super protective, super comfortable too. And I believe this lining here, it does zipper or open up right there to plug your controller in while keeping the plastic material on top of it. So this is a really, really great mat for your pets. If you want to, you could use it too, but it's really geared towards pets, super relaxing. We know they want to live better lives too. That's why we gave it to them with this.